Welcome to Cupquake HQ,
where the magic happens. Hey everyone, it's Cupquake, and today we have another office flipper update. We've been doing some work to the office, and I wanted to show you guys what we've done. We're making some magic, making the place more cozy, and putting our style on it. Before we get into today's update, I wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Honey Nut Cheerios. We are still raising awareness for Feeding America, so make sure to scan your buzz coins and get some points for Team Michael B. Jordan. That's the team that we're supporting. And they actually sent me a custom iHasCupquake Cheerios box I want to show you. Look how cute! And they put it in a nice little box and everything. So I wanted to show you guys some updates that we've done to this room, which is our meeting room. We actually added some curtains to the windows, which came out really, really nice. My Mama Quake, actually made these because, not gonna lie, curtains are expensive. So we saved ourselves some money. Mama Quake made these and we got to choose the custom colors, but they help so much with sound, and that was one of the main reasons why we got them. So they came out beautiful. I love the mint color, and this room is almost complete. My vision of the room when I first initially drew it is starting to come into fruition. So behind me, we actually have some of our merch that we wanted to display, and it's looking really nice. We still have some stuff that we need to put up. We have some awesome stuff that we're working on right now that I can't wait to share with you guys. But now that we're completely out of the old office, it's official. We've signed it, we're done. We've handed over the keys. I brought the sign over that used to be on our wall, the iHasCupquake sign, and I'm gonna put it right up there. If it fits, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. So then once I do that, I think this room is complete other than the curtains on this side. But I think it's coming along really nice. Makes me happy. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you guys, this place is freaking magical. This is the 4th rainbow I've seen here at this office, and it just gives me chills. I'm like, this place is meant for us.
That is like a laser beam rainbow.
Dude, it has gotten brighter. I can legit see the color separation beyond the purple.
Whoa.
Beyond the purple.
Look, you're wearing a rainbow shirt.
I know. What the heck? I did not plan for this. This is just a message. But speaking of rainbows, so you can't tell, we love color around here, so we wanted to paint another rainbow wall in our shoot room, which is the next room over. Currently, we have 3 different paper rolls, but we couldn't really shoot against the rainbows here in the office because people's desks are there, so we're like, let's just paint another rainbow wall. But this time I had the help from Megan and Christina, so it went by so much quicker. And we already had the paint. I've already done it before, so it was really easy to do and tape things off, space things out. It literally took maybe a couple hours to do, but when you photograph on that wall, it just looks amazing. So I'm so happy that we did paint that room. And we actually had our very first photo shoot for Moody Me in the room. So it was a lot of fun to do. We're still building out the set, but it's starting to come along, and I'm really liking the way it looks. Definitely the rainbow wall stills the cake. Since we're talking about rainbows, if you guys remember our Pixel Heart rainbow wall, I actually just got reminded Honey Nut Cheerios has actually added a custom Pixel Heart badge that you can earn. So make sure to scan those buzz coins and get the pixelated heart. So we're not completely done with our photo shoot room, but we wanted to tackle our office. Maria and I have our own separate office at our office. And as you can see, the walls are pretty bare. So we have these huge windows right here. We have a lot of natural light. So I really want to capitalize on that and put as many plants as I can in here. Also just stuff that inspires us. We don't currently have any drawers. So it looks very messy and cluttered because everything is just out. But I think that we have a solution for that, and I'm really excited to get this done because I feel like you gotta have a good workspace. It has to make you happy. You can get creative whenever you need to. So yeah, we bought some stuff from the store and I'm just gonna start setting everything up. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to do this. It's a mess in here.
So we really wanted to make a custom art piece for our office, and I thought, what better than the sun and the moon? So I actually had a creative live stream on my Twitch channel. That's twitch.tv/iHasCupquake, and I streamed the whole creative process. From drawing the typography, to stapling the wood and the canvas, to painting. I even did some gold leaf. It was seriously so much fun to live stream this, so I'll be doing many, many more creative live streams in the future, so make sure to give me a follow.
So this past weekend, I just found this little dream catcher, but I thought it was so perfect because it has a little lotus flower in it, and that's the flower for Pisces, and both Red and I are Pisces, so, and then it has a little color on the bottom too, and it matches the little rug. And it's cool because in the original sketch, I actually drew this in the sketch without knowing this existed, and so it was meant to be. I added some plants here and there and some shelves that I had from the previous office so we can have some storage space. Then we also got a filing cabinet, which is a really beautiful teal color where we store all of our important documents and stuff, you know, like things that you have in an office, like that belongs in there. Important things. So also to add some variation in height and color against the white walls, we added a leaning bookshelf, which is so beautiful. It's out of wood, so it really stands out from the white wall. And last but not least, the curtains that Mama Quake made again. Thanks, Mom. So we got this darker teal looking color, and it's a little bit heavier fabric than the other ones, but it looks so gorgeous. Again, it's perfect for the sound so it doesn't bounce all over the place. It really pulls the whole space together, and it's really coming along, and I really love the way it looks. Do you like the way it looks?
I love the way it looks.
Better. So that's pretty much all that we've done to the office. We still have a little bit more to do, and then we'll do a final office tour. But I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Huge thank you to Honey Nut Cheerios for sponsoring the video. Make sure you guys head over to BeGoodRewards.com, scan your Buzz coins for Team Michael B. Jordan so that we can raise some funds for Feeding America. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Cupquake, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! I like to eat Cheerios. Hum, nom, 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 nom.